The Cal State Bakersfield men's basketball team hosted its final game tonight against California Baptist. The Lancers opened up tonight's game hot with a 19-point lead after converting over 60% of their shots behind the arc, and CSU did find some momentum before the end of half, going on a 14-4 run to close the gap. Jarkau Joyner going off with 22 points of his own in the contest, but it wouldn't be enough for the Roadrunners in their final game. The Lancers came out with the win 72-58, but despite the loss, head coach Rod Barnes says his team can still beat anybody.
I think our team is in a place that we believe that we could beat anybody on any given night, but then we've got to put that into action. And the belief is good, but in the end, we've got not only believe, we've got to do something.
And the Roadrunners will now hit the road for a 3-game road trip starting with Grand Canyon next Saturday. In high school basketball, 2 local teams looking to claim a Division IV championship this afternoon at Selland Arena in Fresno. The Foothill Trojans taking on the Bakersfield Christian Eagles. It was a close game as the Eagles led by just 1 point at halftime, but in the fourth quarter the Trojans rallied to a 56-50 win over the Eagles to give Foothill the championship victory and a win that the coach says will go down in history.
Just a lot of people don't know when you build a program. I think the history has been shown where Foothill was before we started there, and we just had a great group of kids that come in, so it's unexplainable, just excitement, man, for these kids.
And just before that game, the girls' championships took place. Our McFarland Bears took on the San Joaquin Memorial Panthers for Fresno in the D4 title game, but unfortunately fell in a tough match 46-38.